Welcome to Upstart Press. In this video, I will show you how to share Microsoft Excel sheet with multiple users online. To do that, from Microsoft 365, create a new sheet or open already created sheet. Once the sheet is opened, press Share button. At the top right, click Share. From here, you can add name, group, or emails to share this sheet with. You can also set permission from here. They will be able to edit or view this sheet based on permission set here. Optionally, you can add message and send the invitation. They will receive email notification to edit or view this file. If you don't have email to share with, you can use this option. Just copy the link and share with the person that will be viewing or editing this file. You can also customize permission by clicking this link. Choose edit or viewing permission from here and then click apply. After that, copy the link and share with the other person. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.